Good morning guys, Cody here from Eppic Adventures. A little bit of an update for you. I'm in northern Vietnam and I just did the best motorcycle trip in the world. Drove on the best road in the world, in my opinion. I've been a lot of places, but I will tell you that that's the best road that I've ever been on. By far, it is the best road ever. So good. It is phenomenal up here. So phenomenal that I actually just made another deal with the owner of QT Motorbike Rentals to go take a couple of the guys that work here, take them, get some of the information, and possibly going to go check out some new routes that they're working on creating. Because I mean, there's so much stuff here. It's so beautiful. So they want to make a couple more routes. He's setting up another shop in another town, so we're going to head over there. Possibly you guys are going to be the first to see some of the new routes that are here in northern Vietnam that they're creating. I'm going to go check some of those out. Right now I'm about, once I get back over there, I'm going to hop on a bike. I'm going to go buy myself my own helmet so that I don't have to wear a rental. Tomorrow we are off on another 5-6 day motorcycle trip into northern Vietnam in the mountains, and it's going to be awesome. I'm so excited. So excited. So hold on to your shorts, guys, because it's going to be an epic adventure.